Beyond the blue of our skies, far from the cradle of humanity, there exists a world that is both alien and eerily familiar. A moon, shrouded in mist, bathed in a soft orange hue, Titan, Saturn's largest moon, sitting in the cold, vast dark of space, holds a mystery that has captivated the imagination of scientists, explorers, and dreamers alike. While Titan may seem an inhospitable, distant world, there are echoes of Earth's early days found here, in its thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, and in its frigid, liquid-filled landscapes. For some, Titan may be a place to look back at the origins of life. For others, it might represent the future, the next world where humanity might take its next steps. Beneath Titan's thick, impenetrable clouds, there are vast seas. Seas not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane. Imagine that. Seas of hydrocarbons, their surface shimmering in the pale light of distant Saturn. Titan's surface is carved with rivers and lakes, all shaped by an alien process we have only just begun to understand. This strange moon, with its low temperatures and its chemical soup, is a window into the ancient past, a time when Earth too may have been a young, volatile world, primed for the emergence of life. Here on Titan, the building blocks of life, as we understand it, might exist in forms we have never dreamed of. Titan's location in the solar system places it over 1.2 billion kilometers away from Earth, an almost inconceivable distance. It is a world where the silence of space envelopes every corner, far beyond our reach in both time and space. And yet, despite this immense distance, Titan seems to hold a deep, magnetic allure. Perhaps it is the hope that here, in the dark cold, lies something that will allow us to transcend our earthly limits. Could it be? Could this distant moon, orbiting a gas giant, be the next world for us to explore, to learn from, and even to one day inhabit? Is Titan the key to our understanding of life's origins, and perhaps our destiny among the stars? Scientists have long been intrigued by Titan. Its dense, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, its complex weather systems, clouds, rain, even seasons, make it one of the most Earth-like bodies in our solar system, despite the glaring differences. Unlike Mars, Titan is a world of abundance, abundant in complex molecules, abundant in chemical processes that mirror those we believe existed on early Earth. But unlike Earth, this is a moon of extremes. With surface temperatures plunging to nearly minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, Titan's environment is far too cold for life as we know it. Yet it is this very cold that could hold the key to a new kind of future, where innovation, rather than simply survival, drives our existence. It is the strange, alien chemistry of Titan that makes it so compelling. The thick atmosphere, composed primarily of nitrogen, is akin to Earth's in many ways, but it is also rich in methane, an unusual and volatile substance. Titan's thick, opaque clouds are formed from this methane, blocking the view of the surface, yet hinting at a complex, dynamic environment beneath. Rivers of methane carve through Titan's icy surface, and vast seas hold the potential for extraordinary discoveries. But it is not just the surface that entices. Beneath the ice, scientists speculate that a liquid ocean, one of water mixed with ammonia, might exist, an ocean of life, perhaps hidden from our view. Could Titan, with its unique chemistry, hold clues to the origins of life itself? Or, more tantalizingly, could it harbor life of a kind so different from our own, it would challenge everything we know about biology? Imagine a world that mirrors the conditions of early Earth, a world where complex molecules could form, where the very chemistry that may have sparked life on our planet might have played out. Titan is a place that forces us to reconsider our understanding of life's possibilities. It's not about searching for life in the way we know it, but for life in forms we can't yet conceive. It's the kind of frontier that invites radical ideas. But what about the future? Could Titan become humanity's next great frontier? For centuries, space exploration has been a race toward Mars, with the hope of colonizing its red dust. But now, Titan, this distant, icy moon, beckons. With the right technology, it could become a second home for humanity. A place where human curiosity, ingenuity, and survival instincts would be tested like never before. Imagine a human colony, nestled in domed habitats, surrounded by the cold emptiness of the moon, powered by resources harvested from the very world they inhabit. Could it happen? The challenges would be monumental. The first hurdle is Titan's atmosphere. Though dense and rich in nitrogen, it is toxic for human life. And then there is the cold. Temperatures so low they would freeze most materials solid. The question is, how would we survive? The answer may lie in the very chemistry of Titan itself. Titan's atmosphere is filled with methane, a potential fuel source that, once harnessed, could power everything from energy generation to propulsion for future exploration. And Titan's thick atmosphere may also offer protection from cosmic radiation, unlike the barren landscape of Mars, which is exposed to the deadly rays of the sun. The question, though, isn't just how we would survive, but how we would thrive. In this new world, human explorers would step from their spacecraft, donning cutting-edge suits designed to withstand the bitter cold. The first explorers would carry with them not just hopes of discovery, but the dreams of an entire species. These brave pioneers would not simply survive. They would begin the process of transforming Titan into a home. With each step on its frozen surface, they would build the infrastructure necessary for life. Domed habitats, power systems using local resources, and communication networks that stretch across light years. Titan may seem impossibly remote, but its resources are abundant. We have the technology to harness the energy of its atmosphere. We have the capability to create closed-loop systems, to create artificial habitats, to extract fuel. These are not far-off dreams. They're goals within our reach. And Titan's methane, though an obstacle now, could become our greatest ally in sustaining life. As we watch the seasons unfold in the haze of Titan's atmosphere, we see a world that, in some ways, mirrors our own, changing, evolving, waiting. A world where time is measured not by the ticking of a clock, but by the slow, steady movement of gases in the air, the frozen flow of methane across its surface. Titan is not just a place of extreme cold and strange chemistry. It is a place where the possibilities for the future are being formed, where human ingenuity could one day meet the mystery of life, and perhaps even find a way to thrive where no one has ever lived before. The journey to Titan is not just one of distance, but of transformation. It is a journey that stretches our technology, our vision, and our very understanding of life itself. Titan may one day become more than a distant moon. It could become the destination for humanity's next great adventure. And in that journey, we will not only uncover the secrets of the universe, but we will find the future of human civilization itself. The road to Titan is long and fraught with challenges, but it is a road we must walk. For in its icy depths lies not just a new world, but a new beginning. As we look toward the stars, it is easy to feel small. But in that vastness lies the promise of something greater. Earth will always be our home, but Titan may one day be the next great chapter in the story of humanity. Titan, the next Earth? Perhaps. Or perhaps it is not a question of if we will live there, but when. And when we do, we will know that it was not just our future that began on Earth, but on the windswept surface of a distant moon, on the edge of the solar system, where humanity's story continues, unfolding in the cosmos.